I'm excited to present CarBench for the AgentBeats competition. Feel free to pause the video at any point for more detailed information on the slides. CarBench evaluates multi-turn tool-using LLM agents in an automotive voice assistant domain. Unlike existing benchmarks that assume well-defined tasks, real-world requests are often ambiguous or unsatisfiable. Beyond standard task completion, CarBench tests whether agents know when to act, when to clarify, and when to acknowledge incapability. Let's look at the benchmark environment CarBench contributes. An LLM-simulated user handled by the green agent generates messages from task scenarios. To answer user requests, the agent under test has 19 policies to adhere to and 58 interconnected tools to get information from the environment and execute state-changing actions. The benchmark features a large-scale environment including environment states and rich databases enabling complex multi-step tasks. This setup enables dynamic multi-turn evaluation. To enable evaluation beyond basic task completion, CarBench introduces 3 task types. Base tasks test intent understanding, planning, reasoning, tool use, and policy compliance. Hallucination tasks remove necessary tools, parameters, or results, rendering the user request unsatisfiable so that agents must acknowledge limitations rather than fabricate responses. Disambiguation tasks introduce ambiguity, which agents must resolve by user clarification or internal information gathering before acting prematurely. The trained test splits are shown below. Each task is evaluated with up to 6 binary submetrics. The submetrics test action correctness, tool validity, policy adherence, and an LLM as a judge, which is critical for detecting hallucinations and premature actions in the hallucination and disambiguation tasks. For overall metrics, we report pass over k, which is 1 if task could be solved across k tries, and pass at k, where 1 success in k tries is enough. Pass over k signals consistent capability, while pass at k signals latent potential. We use pass over 3 in the leaderboard as a key performance indicator, as consistency is important in a safety-critical application domain. The key findings of the results were a large gap between consistent and occasional task solving and a completion compliance tension. LLMs rush to satisfy users, leading to fabricated responses or premature actions. In the figure, we can see that difficulty scales with required actions. The code base consists of 3 repos: core CarBench, the Agentified version, most important for this challenge, and the leaderboard. The Agentified repo has an elaborate README with detailed usage instructions from local development to Dockerized deployment. Check it out to get started and see some evaluation runs.